Welcome to Keyestudio. Let's dive into the micro-bit smart home course together. Today, we'll be exploring Project 3.41, Sound Control Light. Let's open the product tutorial manual and look for the code. Download the course code to your desktop. Next, open the browser and search for the micro-bit web page. Click to enter the official website and import the code. Connect to the development board via USB. Upload the code. After uploading the code, the micro-bit board detects the volume of the sound. When you clap and the sound value exceeds 140, the lights in the house change color.